Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to Tito Ryan's guitar lesson. I'm not feeling well today, but the show must go on. So I've chosen the song Crazy For You by Madonna, but this version is from SpongeCola, famous rock group from the Philippines. And I love their cover of Crazy For You by Madonna. So there's two ways to play this song. It's in the key of A, so I'm doing it as A9, and then my second chord is E, and then my third chord, which is F sharp minor, I'm using an open E variation slash F sharp minor. So the top string is open, the two bottom strings are open, and it's like an E, and then you split the fingers. Index finger is on second fret, third string, and then pinky is on fourth fret, fourth string, and then your ring finger is on fourth fret, fifth string. And then my last chord is D9. So, sway in room as the music starts, strangers making the most of the dark, two back to their bodies become one. So that's the A shape or chords that I'm using, and then I'm just doing like downstrokes, or you can just do one strum each. Sway in room as the music starts, strangers making the most of the dark, or you can do downstrokes, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, or as I said, the second way of doing this song is using a capo or capo, and you'll be using the G shape, and then D, and then E minor, and then C. Sway in room as the music starts, strangers making the most of the dark. So the entire song evolves in just the four chords: G, D, E minor, and C. And that's Crazy For You by SpongeCola, or SpongeCola version of the song. Then you can add flavor to it by doing like palm muting and still downstrokes. Okay guys, so that's it. Crazy For You by Madonna, and it's SpongeCola version. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.